Maybe you've never given much thought about what color your roof is or what it's made of. But your roof could be costing you more money than you know to cool your home or office building, especially if you live in a warmer climate. Think about it this way. In the summertime, we wear light-colored clothes because they keep us cooler. Lighter clothes reflect rather than absorb the heat of the sun. It's the same with your roof. A cool roof is often light in color and made of materials that have what's called high solar reflectance. That means it's able to reflect a lot of the sun's light that a conventional roof would absorb, heating up the building.
Let us first conduct a brief survey to understand what is going on here. We will measure the air temperature and surface temperatures of the walls and ceiling inside a room, on the top floor, through a hot summer's day and into the night. And then we'll do the same for a floor below. As we compare these with the air temperature outside, we will find that surface temperature of the ceiling or the underside of the roof is the culprit. Interestingly, the surface temperature varies. We find that the surface temperature of the ceiling is highest later in the evening as against the daytime when the outside temperature is the highest. While in the afternoon, it is actually a little cooler than late evening. Why is this so? You know, the explanation is relatively simple. During the day, the roof is directly exposed to the sun. As the day passes, the roof collects and absorbs the heat from the sun. Actually, the temperature on the surface of the roof is much higher than the temperature of the surrounding air. And as the roof surface gets hotter, more heat will flow into the roof structure and it will begin to store it. As night falls, the sun is no longer there to provide more heat. The roof will start to release its own heat, some of it back into the sky and some down into the room below. And over the duration of the night, the roof will release all the stored heat and by dawn, it'll have cooled down again.
The coating is made up of a highly UV-resistant pure acrylic resin that has double the hardness of other popular coatings. The coating contains specialist pigments and fillers, which are designed to re-radiate all spectrums of light and heat rays, including visible and infrared, which make up 97% of heat from the sun. The coating doesn't allow the heat to pass through the coating and onto the roof material easily, and if any heat does get through, it is rapidly released.
It protects it from breaking down, which can lead to moisture penetration and damaging leaks. White roof coatings are also energy saving and can reduce summer cooling costs by up to 40% by reflecting the sunlight and the resulting heat.